Hi everyone, it's Sabrina here. In this week's video, I'm going to teach you some tips and tricks on how to stop procrastinating. I know with online school, it's easy to put things off till the end, but obviously that's not always the best feeling, so hopefully some of these tips can help you stop procrastinating. So first of all, something that I live by is making to-do lists. I make to-do lists every single day. I think they really help keep me organized and visualize what I have to get done for the day. A lot of the times it's easy to procrastinate if you don't have like a clear goal of what you need to get done. So here I am just writing out my assignments. I have a PChem module, a women's studies paper, and I also had a lecture to watch for physiology. So yeah, just writing it out and being able to see it and check it off will help you not procrastinate. Something I recently started is the Pomodoro Technique, where you work on a task for 25 minutes, no distractions, nothing. And then shortly hereafter, you'll see after I watch my lecture for 25 minutes, I get a 5-minute break. Here I am setting a timer for 5 minutes and just kind of chilling. So next, after I set the timer on my phone, I remove my phone or any other distractions from my study area. And I usually put it somewhere where I can still hear the timer, but somewhere where it's not right next to me and I won't be tempted to go on social media. So in this upcoming clip, you'll see me handing my phone over to my roommate so that I'm not tempted to go on it. Lastly, make sure to always reward yourself. I think this is my biggest tip. If I know that something good is going to come out of me studying or getting my work done, I'm a lot more willing to do it and to not put it off. So today I decided to treat myself to some Ben & Jerry's ice cream. My favorite flavor is PB and cookies. I hope some of these tips and tricks were helpful to you guys and that you can implement them in your studying as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again next week. Bye.